Welcome everyone to the world of beauty. Today we are diving into the phenomenal success story of Nykaa, India's leading online beauty destination. Get ready to explore how Nykaa leveraged the power of influencer marketing to become a true industry leader. Launched in 2012 by Falguni Nair, Nykaa emerged from a simple observation: a lack of variety and accessibility in the Indian beauty market. Falguni envisioned a platform that catered to the diverse needs of Indian women, offering a curated selection of genuine beauty products from around the world. But the Indian beauty market was already a bustling space. To stand out, Nykaa needed a unique strategy to capture the attention of potential customers and build brand loyalty. And this is where the magic of influencer marketing came in. Nykaa recognized the growing influence of beauty bloggers and social media personalities. These beauty influencers had built dedicated communities by sharing their expertise, product reviews, and makeup tutorials. Nykaa saw an opportunity to partner with these influencers, leveraging their credibility and reach to connect with their target audience on a deeper level. Unlike traditional celebrity endorsements, Nykaa's influencer marketing strategy focused on building authentic partnerships. They collaborated with influencers who genuinely aligned with their brand values and resonated with their target audience. This meant selecting influencers who catered to diverse beauty preferences, skin tones, and even hair types. The key to Nykaa's influencer marketing success was the creation of engaging content. They collaborated with influencers to produce a variety of content formats, including eye-catching Instagram posts and stories showcasing product reviews, makeup tutorials, and trendy looks. In-depth video tutorials created by beauty gurus demonstrating product application techniques and offering valuable advice. Then comes personalized recommendations. Influencers curated product recommendations based on their own experiences and audience preferences, creating a sense of trust and encouraging viewers to explore Nykaa's vast product selection. Nykaa's influencer marketing strategy yielded phenomenal results. Within a year, Nykaa witnessed a 4x increase in website traffic and a staggering 3x rise in sales. This demonstrates the effectiveness of influencer marketing in driving brand awareness and customer acquisition. A thriving online community, Nykaa now boasts over 13 million monthly active users. Their influencer marketing efforts not only attract new customers but also fostered a loyal online community. On Instagram alone, Nykaa has amassed over 2 million followers. Their engaging influencer content has established a strong social media presence, keeping them at the forefront of beauty trends and conversations. The impact of Nykaa's influencer marketing strategy extends beyond impressive numbers. They've actually redefined the way beauty brands connect with consumers in India. By collaborating with trusted influencers, Nykaa addressed a key concern in online beauty shopping: the difficulty of trying products before purchases. Influencers provided honest reviews and showcased products in real-life settings, building trust and encouraging customers to make informed decisions. Nykaa's influencer partnerships featured a diverse group of beauty enthusiasts. This approach ensured that all women, regardless of their background or skin tone, could find relatable role models and products which catered to their unique needs. As with any marketing strategy, there are always challenges to consider. Some of the challenges that I believe Nykaa faces are these. So with the rise of influencer marketing, consumers are becoming increasingly discerning. Nykaa will need to continue fostering genuine partnerships with influencers who maintain a high level of transparency and authenticity with their audience. The social media landscape is constantly evolving. Nykaa will need to adapt their influencer marketing strategy to keep pace with new platforms, trends, and content formats. Looking ahead, the future of beauty marketing in India will likely involve a blend of influencer marketing and cutting-edge technologies. Then you have the rise of micro-influencers, individuals with smaller but highly engaged followings. This could prove to be a valuable asset for Nykaa. These influencers often have stronger connections with their audience, fostering a sense of intimacy and trust. Nykaa can also explore the potential of interactive content formats like live streams and Q&A sessions with influencers. This allows for real-time engagement with customers and further strengthens the connection between brand and audience. Artificial intelligence and personalization. AI can play a role in personalizing the influencer marketing experience. By analyzing customer data and preferences, Nykaa can recommend influencers and content which resonates best with each individual user. Nykaa's success story is a testament to the power of influencer marketing. By building genuine partnerships with trusted voices and creating engaging content, they've established themselves as a leader in the Indian beauty industry. Nykaa has not only revolutionized the way beauty products are sold, but also fostered a strong sense of community and inclusivity within the beauty space. What are your thoughts on Nykaa's influencer marketing strategy? Do you think influencer marketing is the future of beauty marketing? Share your comments below and let us keep the conversation going. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content on the future of e-commerce and marketing trends. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of beauty. Until next time, stay beautiful and stay informed.